Welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Kirk Blair. I'm going to show you this 2017 Sundance 291 quad bunk. It's a 291 QB. It's a pretty good size unit. This is a used piece of inventory for us. We do sell these new. These are awesome. Heartland Sundance. It's got a few nice features I'll show you out here. You got a power tongue jack, your dual propane tanks, your battery location. They do have a front cap on them, which is a nice feature of these guys. Let's kind of make our way down the side here. I want to show you large front storage bay. Pretty good size, nice finish all the way around too. A couple things about it, big power awning. It is a fiberglass sided. I'm going to show you this little outdoor kitchen area on here too. Anything that has kind of a quad bunk kind of has this floor plan for the most part. Pull out a little stove, stovetop, sink, mini fridge for your frosty beverages. But it's got a nice magnet holder too that holds the doors up. So it does have fiberglass siding. It is nice that way. It does have a spare tire and a bumper here on the back. If you wanted to mount stuff too, you could. Let's go ahead and jump inside and take a look. As you make your way inside this unit, it does have kind of an island entertainment center around the master bedroom. You're going to have your DVD player, TV, and this does swivel and spin around so that you can have the TV in the bedroom or TV out here. Front bedroom, plenty of storage and closet space, nice stainless basin sink, your kitchen area here. Your rear bunks, we'll get to that in a second. You have your nice super slide here with a couch and a dinette that both make beds. So you do have lots of sleeping in this particular unit. Cathedral type ceiling. Here's your bathroom. Bathroom isn't huge on this guy, but you're not hanging out in there for super long. You're kind of just doing your business and moving on. You know, usually you're out with friends, out hanging out, swimming, camping, fishing. So let's check out the back. So this guy has quad bunks. So it has a bunk here. This is a little dinette and a bunk, and this bunk can go up and you can pin it up this way so you can make a bed, and or like a kids could have a craft table or something during the day or do a puzzle or whatever you want. And it has two bunks over here as well, and a little storage and closet space and whatnot behind me. So let's see. Like I say, we do sell these new. This is used. It is pretty nice and clean though. This piece of inventory and anything here at Guarantee RV, I am more than happy to help you. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. If you have any questions on anything new, used, whatever here at Guarantee RV, I'm happy to help. Hope you have a fantastic day and looking forward to helping.